Can you hear me now?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes. Are you at Village Parkway and SR 240?
Yes.
Are you injured at all?
No.
Okay. And it said you were in a Kia, is that right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Did you hit a motorcycle?
Yeah, we are.
Okay. Do you see if the person's injured or breathing?
I think everybody's okay. Let me get on and check. No, there's definitely somebody injured. Possibly fatality. I'm gonna go check.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me know if they're breathing.
Yeah, we have no pulse on I believe a pedestrian. I can. Yes, I'm a first responder.
You are a first responder?
Yes, I am.
If you want to start CPR, we can definitely get that going.
Okay, I'm gonna start CPR.
Okay.
On the night of March 1st, 2025, officers responded to a fatal traffic incident where a man was struck and later died from his injuries. Initially, state troopers led the investigation until they discovered that the suspect was one of their own.
We are out on 240 at Village Parkway with a likely fatal collision. State started taking it, but then realized that one of the involved drivers is an off-duty state trooper.
Hey.
Hello.
How's it going?
Good.
Do you want to talk over here real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I'm Steve. I'm with the traffic unit. So, just, I know this is probably uncomfortable, but we're just gonna, treat this like as if it was anything else, and we want to figure out what was going on. Just, just in order to rule anything out.
Yeah.
Like obviously, it's just as important to rule everything out as it is to confirm everything. So. I'm just getting here, so I know you already answered some questions from the other guys, but generally what happened?
So I went and picked up a Domino's pizza.
Okay.
I was turning left in here. I live right over
Okay.
there on Wild Canyon Way.
Okay.
I saw what I thought was a car with one headlight out.
Okay.
Right just past where the reflective sign is, that white one.
Okay, sure.
And so I was already slowing in the turn lane and saw him there, and I was like, I got enough time.
Okay.
I turned, and as soon as I turned, just felt the boom.
Okay. So as you're turning, you thought he was further away?
No,
Is
he
that
was
right?
definitely past that reflective sign when I saw him.
Okay.
And then, like I say, I thought it was a car with a headlight out. Didn't realize it was a motorcycle. I didn't realize the rate of speed
Okay.
they were going at.
So did you think he was going pretty quick?
Yes.
Okay.
Because from that reflective sign, it's kind of, I live here, so
Sure.
that's always my, general rule. If they're past that sign, then you got plenty of time if you're already slowing to turn in.
Gotcha.
And
So based on making this turn and numerous times that you know how to judge that distance.
Yeah.
You're like, okay, good to go. Okay. All right. You're probably aware we're just gonna run this like normal. So I'm just gonna run you through some voluntary field sobriety tests if you're willing to. Okay.
Yeah, I don't think I want to do any.
Okay. All right. What about the PBT? You willing to do a voluntary PBT?
I don't want to do any tests based on the
Understood.
circumstances.
What about? Obviously, you just gave me a verbal statement. Are you willing to write down a statement on paper?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do a statement.
All right. Let me go grab a statement
Okay.
form, and I'll let you fill that out. And then I know you want to get out of here, so we'll do that. That way, we just kind of lock everything in for today. So
Sounds good.
all right. Yeah. Just give me a few minutes.
Yeah,
here.
no worries.
Yep. Here is the statement forms. Once I got here, you're probably gonna need a clipboard or something, aren't you? Yeah, no, you're good.
I'll just write on the hood if that's okay.
I'll have you stay away from the vehicle just to keep that. But let me grab you a clipboard. That's my bad.
No worries.
Okay.
Thank you.
Any questions for me at this point?
No.
Okay.
No.
All right. I'll just be over here. So just flag me down once you're done with that.
Sounds good.
All right. Thank you for completing that for me. I'll just read through it real quick. So before I read it, I don't know that this was ever clarified. You're in the turn lane. You're turning. Was there any other traffic coming?
So there was a car behind him. I thought it was a car with a headlight out. It was coming this way. Like I say, it was right at that white sign. So it's kind of my gauge on when I turn. But I was slowing, and then saw there was a car there, turned, and then just literally out of nowhere just
Okay.
ran inside of me.
Okay. So there was a car in front.
No, behind him.
Behind him.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Do
I
you know
could
how
see,
far?
It was kind of hard to. I would probably say maybe 50 feet behind him, because I could see two headlights on that one on this one. They were at the white light, or the white sign, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
And then when I saw that, I was like, there's a row of cars coming. One's got a headlight out, so they probably can't see well, so maybe they're driving slow or whatever. But yeah, once I saw they were only at the white sign, I was like, I got time to turn.
Okay.
And as soon as I turned, it was
Okay.
boom, right in the...
Okay. Okay.
Just as I almost completed my turn.
Okay. Okay. So you were almost finished with your turn.
Yeah. I was kind of see where the
Mhm.
point of impact was.
Sure.
I guess in the daylight it's easier to see if they're
Sure.
going faster, but I looked and saw like one light, and I was
Mhm.
like, we're past the white sign. I'm good to turn. But I don't know how fast they were going or what, but it definitely
Okay.
wasn't like it wasn't like I was trying to squeak in
Sure,
at all. Like
okay.
there was plenty of room.
You thought you had plenty of time, not that
Oh,
you, had,
yeah.
you had to gun it or anything.
No,
to make
no,
it
not
through.
at all. I was slowing here, and then maybe like 20 miles an hour when I made the turn.
Okay. So you slowed down to 20 then.
Oh yeah, because I go left here, so it's you got to stop the lights or at this time. I won't stop, but at least a rolling slow down. I mean, you're not going to make like hard
Sure.
turn.
Oh yeah, of course. Well, I'll be honest with you. I would love to rule out impairment, but without the fields, it is hard to rule that out. Obviously,
Yeah.
it's voluntary. I won't ask you again, but
Yeah.
there may always be that question
Yeah,
down the road.
I just rather not.
Okay.
Yeah, I know how it goes too. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you mean? You know how it goes?
even if there's like a little, if I had something, I had a glass one earlier or something like that, I just don't want to do it.
Okay.
Yeah. But
Okay.
no, I definitely don't feel impaired. I don't feel like there was impairment as an issue. I
Did you have a glass of wine earlier?
not gonna answer it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You just mentioned like if. So,
If I would have, yeah, or had, yeah, but
so his bike kind of got pushed in front of your car, but was he still in the roadway? Is that kind of what happened?
yeah. So he was right about where, almost where the cop was standing there. He was maybe just a little bit to the north of him.
Okay.
Mm.
To the north of him.
Just like literally like a body size. There's probably blood there.
Okay.
But yeah, no, I got out immediately, and there was a few people that stopped. I think the car that was behind him had stopped and started CPR, and everybody was standing around and asked if I needed gloves or something. I was like, it's not really necessary right now. I'm just trying to...
Okay. And and obviously you were the only one in the car.
Yeah.
Okay. And you have people at home, or you just?
Yeah.
Okay.
My husband's at home.
Okay.
I just went to go get the pizza.
Okay. I'm just gonna basically, we're just kind of in a holding pattern right now. So I'll talk to my partners over there, and we'll kind of figure out how we're gonna what's next. All right, yeah, just give me a couple minutes.
Do you want to grab the furrow?
No. I think she has something on board.
Do you really?
Yeah. Yeah. So
Is there
we have to.
is there going to be enough to
I-
get a search warrant?
So yeah, I'll write it. I mean, unless you want.
What changed?
So I was just studying her. She got a couple misspelled words on here.
Okay.
She wrote sigh, and she said 100 feet. Sorry, I'm going a little fast. She estimated the distance between the guy on the motorcycle and her to be 100 feet, which that's way more than 100. That's 500 feet. She said she was almost through her turn when clearly she was at the very beginning of her turn. Her eyes are a little bit glassy, a little bit.
What those
But-
lights be?
But could be, but we got to err on the side of caution.
Okay.
I do not have a great sense of smell, but I think I smelled a little bit of odor of alcohol, enough for me to say. And then I told her, I'm like, hey, we just want to rule out impairment. And by you not doing it, I'm like, I'm not going to ask you again, but I'm like, we can't rule it out. And she's like, yeah, well, if I would have had a glass of wine earlier, I know how this goes. And I said, did you have a glass of wine earlier? And she said, I'm not going to answer that. So
Okay.
I think with everything, We have to. I mean,
Okay.
I will write the search warrant. But yeah, I'm still recording. I'm still recording. I would have loved to have ruled it out. I will mute. Yes. All right. So, like I said, we were really trying to rule alcohol out. I'm not convinced that alcohol wasn't a factor. So right now you are under arrest. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and put your hand behind your back. So we will be doing a search warrant for blood. Okay. That way there will be no questions. Do you have anything in your pockets or anything?
Yeah, nothing to do today, so.
Okay. Go to piece of card for me.
I can do a breath test if you want me to.
Well, at this point, I think we'll just probably do the search warrant.
Okay.
I mean, go ahead and piece of card.
Just wondering what
Yeah.
cause. But yeah, if you guys want to do the breath test.
Well, so we're trying to treat this like any other incident, and
Yeah, I
typically once the opportunity kind of comes and that you say you don't want to do it, it's voluntary, and then if you want to do it,
Well, I do a
After.
voluntary breath test at the BAC, but I just didn't want to do the fields.
okay. So you wanted to submit to? I think with this, the significance of this, I think it's probably we're gonna probably need a
Okay.
search warrant. Okay.
That's fine.
All right. I appreciate your
Yeah,
cooperation.
no worries,
Dr.
of course.
Okay. All right. So I don't put this over here. So let's just have a seat right here. Cuts off you, and we'll utilize the one on the wall. Right, no problem. And I'm also just going to leave my body camera here, just start normal procedure.
Okay, no worries.
Checking in, do you need any water or anything?
No, I would need to use the restroom before we leave.
Okay, I've got a female officer. We can, on a scale of 1 to 10 now, 1 being not right now, 10 being
Like
yes.
5.
Okay,
Yeah,
I can let a
before we leave
female
the
officer.
hospital.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, sir. How you doing?
Not too bad.
All right, so they did get a warrant for the blood, so we'll go and do that now.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, your charge is vehicular homicide. Hey, thanks for coming. So yeah, I got the warrant, and then we just had just a jail clearance because she was in a crash. All right, so yeah, we're just here doing the blood draw and then the jail clearance just because you were in the crash.
Okay.
So yeah, we're just here for a clearance and then a blood draw, legal blood draw. You don't have anybody from the lab come in yet?
I
or-
called as soon
Okay.
as you guys locked the
Gotcha.
door.
Okay, just want to make sure.
Olivia, the nurse is called.
Gotcha. Okay, just want to make sure.
I promise.
Okay. Clearly busy. That's okay. Just want to make sure they're aware. Can't imagine there's that many other people who need their blood drawn right now. It was before 8. 7:40. It's a long time. I don't
Call
want to.
again.
Yeah, if you could.
Yeah.
Like we've been waiting for a while.
Nope.
And this is a fatality crash.
Oh yeah, no, I was gonna say I called.
Yeah.
I called. He's called. Like,
Okay.
It really doesn't take me this long, so I don't know what.
Yeah, I don't know. Like, yeah. Appreciate it.
Somebody already show for you guys?
Nope, we're waiting.
You have the warrant?
I do.
You have the tubes?
I do. You want me to hand?
Well, I'll just make sure
Okay.
that white powders are there. Is there anything else that you wanted on there? I put the case number, her
That's
name, date
perfect.
of birth, my initials, the time.
That looks good to me.
Okay.
So I was instructed to take your phone as well, so that'll be in our custody. I'm not sure if they will be writing a search warrant on that So just wanted to let you know that that's will be in your property.
The woman was arrested and charged with vehicular homicide, but later released from jail on her own recognizance. Since her release from a 72-hour hold on March 3rd, no formal charges have been filed. The special prosecutor stated the investigation is still active and a charging decision will be made once the review is complete. Details from the blood draw have not yet been released.
After, as a traffic investigator, yeah. So yeah, I was a while before I got there. So a lot of those loose ends, I think the other traffic investigators kind of wrapped up. I'm just not privy to those just because I wasn't there for too long. Hey, how you doing? So she was involved with the motor vehicle crash.
Okay.
But she was cleared at the jail. She also is a trooper, so whatever accommodations you guys can make for that.
Are you getting upset to like where you're going to start fighting, or what's the matter with you? What are you doing? Okay. If any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you're privileged to remain silent. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Saying you want them to come back. Why do you want them to come back?
I do not want them to come back.
Okay, you don't want them to come back.
Down that road and stop with that road.
Okay, so you don't need them.
No.
Okay.
No, I do not.
Okay.
I plead the fifth. You're on.
Okay. All right. So let me explain something. Okay.
Give my license back.
Well, we'll get to that. We'll get to that in a second.
We're going to get to that right now.
Okay, we're going to get to that in a
I'm
second.
a law enforcement officer.
Okay, and I respect that.
Yeah, you better.
But here's...
On July 22nd, 2024, a highly intoxicated off-duty officer crashed his car and attempted to flee the scene, twice. What officers discovered will leave you stunned. He then claimed he deserved special treatment because he was an officer.
This goggles for your SWAT team.
Well, I'm sure they appreciate that.
I did.
I believe you.
I already called Sergeant, let him know.
All right, so we're going to stand you up and we're going to walk back over there, okay? All right, ready? 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah.
There you go.
I got your phone, all right?
Thank you, honey.
Yeah.
All right, let's hold back over there, okay?
Look through my picture.
No, I don't do that. No, it's
Look
okay.
through my pictures and see all these.
All right, you feeling better now?
No.
Okay. Like I said, I just want to make sure you're okay. All right, so when somebody starts walking away from a crash scene and not answering, makes me think maybe...
They haven't checked him out already?
They were checking him out, and then he stood up and walked away, so...
We're going to get you checked out, buddy. We're trying to get you some help, sir.
You know who Ronnie Coleman is? That's his little brother.
I wish, right? We're going to the back of the rig?
Let's talk to them.
We're going to get you checked out, sir.
Just give you guys a heads up whenever the wrecker does come. That tree broke off, so
It's going to fall.
yeah, it's probably going to come down when the wrecker
Okay.
moves.
Yeah, when I walked up under, I'm like, oh, wait a minute. That's
Yeah, I
not a
saw
good
you
idea.
walk underneath it. I wanted to give you a heads up.
Yeah, no doubt. It may come down and hit the wire.
What's that?
It may come down and hit that wire, too.
Yeah, it's going to move.
Low voltage here, but that's just guide wires up top, I believe.
They're going to need a tree, but they need to grab that down too.
Yeah.
So it's just you in the car?
Thank you.
Not worried about anybody else?
I'm gonna put your phone in your pocket,
Be right
alright? I'm glad you weren't hurt. Judging by this crash, you could have...
Yeah, thank God you weren't hurt, bro. You want to lean up against the car, sir? You want to lean up against the car? You want to lean up against the car?
Yeah, sure.
Make it a little better?
Yeah, sure.
No, just lean up.
No.
You just lean up. Turn
Yeah, no, turn around.
Turn around.
John, turn around.
There you go. Just relax. There you go. Just put your back there. There you go.
Oh, God. How does that make it easier?
Being in cuffs? You know why you're in cuffs, John.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah.
You tried to walk away from the crash.
No.
We have to walk a ways away.
Can you please take my hands?
If I take them off, are you going to walk away again? If you do, I'm going to put you back in cuffs.
What would you like for me to do?
I just don't want you to walk away from the scene.
No problem.
Okay. If I take them off?
Yes.
Okay. You already, listen, you promised me.
I promise.
I hope you're a man of your word. Yeah, I know. They don't feel good. I know.
Hold on.
Yeah, don't turn your wrist. There we
There you
go.
go, sir. There you go. Now you can relax. Just relax.
understand.
What don't you understand?
You are man of my people.
Yeah.
Okay, now, what would you like from me? To,
Just relax. Just relax, yeah.
What's going on, boss? Are you on duty now?
Me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's take our badge off.
Me? Yes, sir.
Put it in your pocket. I'm not taking it, man. I just don't want, you don't need it. That's all.
May I go home?
No, you can't go home.
Can't go home yet.
All right, so what needs to be?
We have a DUI unit coming to check you out, and once they clear you, then we'll have to figure out what we're doing with the car and whatnot. If there's a place you want it taken to, or towed to, or whatnot. So, I guess it's a safe car. Hit the pole pretty good. You look all right.
It's a tree, and that's gonna go down when it's gonna go down when they leave.
Oh.
It's gonna fall. So they said something about getting somebody made him from the
Yeah.
village dwellings to come over and because that's going to fall. It's probably gonna hit the wire.
Okay. FPNL on its way? Or?
Yes.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
Yeah, fire rescue advised they're on their way.
Is there a particular place you want the car towed to? Because it ain't driving.
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
We got a couple minutes. Just let me know when you remember, and then we'll call for the
Don't go in there. No, you can't go in there, buddy.
Don't go in there, because you know what's in there.
Yeah, you can't go in there.
What?
You can't go in there. Don't go in there. Listen, let both investigations conclude, and then you can go about your business, okay? I got you.
Just like you.
I got you. I understand that. But you know that we still have to do our job, okay?
Stay over here. Where you going?
Run it.
Where you going? Really?
We're not doing anything. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand
Come on,
behind your back.
John. Cut it out. John, cut it out, bro. John, stop it. Really? John, what are you doing?
You're gonna have to duck your You're just making this worse for yourself.
Really, John? John, really? Come on, man. Really, John? Really?
I am.
What are you doing?
I am one of the.
You do the same thing.
Yeah, you close yours and I'll close mine.
Let him stay there. Let him stay there.
On your side. Just stay on your side. So now I know that I can't trust you. Okay.
John, really? Where you think you're going? Watching you run is like watching something moving in slow motion. Yeah, that's kind of comical. What are you doing? This is the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. Really? Listen to you. You're gasping for air.
Me too. I broke.
Man, I've never seen it. Like, what is he doing?
The takeoff was in slow motion.
Yeah, I was like, what, this dude really?
Did you make a run for it when I walked over there?
God
You
damn
have
it.
to be friends with this. Well,
Call
listen.
Chef Tony.
All right, my question is, do you guys have charges on him?
Other than leaving the CA, he's leaving the scene of an accident.
Well, I mean, do you guys have like battery LEO, resisting anything
You're
like
walking
that?
up with me. So we just have this, right?
Just this, the running of battery.
Oh, no.
Resist though, because he touched stuff underneath.
So he actually fell, then you cuffed him?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So,
Big dog. Yo.
John, why are you doing this?
He's not injured, right?
No.
I checked him out. He just took a little freedom.
No.
Fire rescue's already.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's not injured.
All right, so
What's
sit
your
him
first
up.
name,
Let's
bud?
sit him up.
Sit him up.
Let's
What's
sit
your
him
name?
up.
Chad, what are you doing, Chad? Why are you running off? Boston Marathon's not till August. What are you doing? All right, what are you doing?
Thank
All right, you done?
you. Finally, you got.
All right, well, no more shenanigans, right? We're gonna stand you up, and we're just gonna figure out what we got here, okay? But no more running, no more shenanigans.
Can you please stand me up?
Can we? There we go. All right. All right. Now relax for a minute, okay? No more running off.
All right, let's go to the front of my car, okay? Jonathan. Well, what's your name? What do you want me? Chad. You need Chad. Okay, you go by Chad.
It's okay, Chad.
You sergeant?
Huh?
You sergeant?
No, that's the sergeant over there.
Okay.
He was talking to you right here. To your right.
I was going to attempt to do business right over here. Is that all right? Like right in this area by the.
That's fine.
Is that okay? All right. Yeah. Let's just let him hang out by my car. Maybe sit him on my police bumper. I'm gonna look at the car for a little bit, and then we'll have a little chat.
You are funny though. You're a funny man. You are funny.
You can't hurt you.
No. You can't be a man that we can trust, so I can't do that. You just lied to my friend. You just lied to my colleague.
Yeah, you promised me.
You lied to my colleague. Yes, you did. You lied to my colleague. Yes, you did. She said, if we take you out of the cuffs, you're not going to run again. You said, no, not at all.
What happened not 10 minutes later?
You positioned yourself. The next thing you know, you had a very slow run. You can't be trusted. You're not a good poker player. Well, actually, a really good poker player because you bluffed the hell out of us.
Yeah.
You play poker? I knew it. You're pretty good at it, aren't you? No, you fooled us.
By the way,
but it was funny. You're funny. You're funny. You made my day, though. I haven't seen that in 25 years.
You're a lieutenant.
No, I'm not a lieutenant. But here's my question. Where were you going? Yeah. Where's your house?
He said he lives right here, on the next block.
Oh.
I am Gregory Tony.
Gregory Tony? Who's Gregory Tony?
The sheriff of Broward County.
You the sheriff of Broward County?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so...
But I'm his best friend.
Oh, you're his best friend?
Sign.
Okay.
Do you see my badge?
I saw that. I saw your badge. Yeah, I saw that. What does that mean?
That means I'm his #1 advisor.
Okay, but what does that got to do with this call?
It means
what does your best friend has to do with this call? That's all well and good. But when you go out and do something that brings attention to law enforcement, we all have a job to do, correct?
Absolutely.
That's a yes or no question. Yeah. Okay, so now that you brought attention, now that you brought attention to us.
Sir.
Wait, let me finish. Now that you brought attention to us, so let us do our job. And like my sergeant said, then he's going to figure out from here. Okay, that's all we're asking.
I'm going to be awesome. Let him do a couple of quick tests. We'll get him out of here. So I'm going to shut my guys down so he can be compliant with you, and then see what you can get done. Does that work?
I mean, he's not argumentative, right?
No.
All right, then we can take the cuffs off of him, and we'll go from there.
All right, this is what we're going to do. We're going to hold off
I
on
mean,
that.
you tell me, is he argumentative, or is he going to fight?
Or?
Take him out of the cuffs.
But it'll be the second time that I go to take him off.
Let's take him out of the cuffs.
And
all right, then forget it. No.
Now, I'm going to tell you this right now.
Hold on.
Let him finish the tests. Okay, if you run off, you're going to jail. I don't care. You just listen to this guy so I can get you out of here, okay? So take the cuffs off.
Wait, hold on, Sarge. You said you had to put him on twice?
We put him on the first time because he walked away. And then...
For walking away. He's not walking away again.
And then I took him off. He said, okay. I'm not going to run.
Let him do his thing.
Not 10 minutes later, he starts taking off running, and me and Brown had to take him down and put him back in cuffs.
All right, so he's a flight risk.
Wait, sorry. Trust.
I mean,
give me 1 second.
We could stand by while you do what you have to do, and we could just take him out the cuffs.
Hold on. Yeah. Do a couple tests, then you can be on his way. You guys go. We're good.
If you guys are comfortable taking the cuffs off of him,
I am, yeah.
because if anyone's not, then we don't.
Well, I'm the sergeant, and I'm comfortable, so we're taking the cuffs off.
Well, I want to make sure that you've got to put him on twice, so as long as he doesn't run off, I don't feel like chasing him.
No, you don't have to chase him, but I just made...
I can't run.
Stop moving.
I believe it's going to be... All right, he's going to run some tests. What's your name? Chad, you said? All right, Chad, listen, he's going to run some tests. Let him finish up his test so I can get you out of here. But you can't screw around or do anything anymore. Let him do it so we can all get on our way. Fair enough? All right, brother? So just listen to him, let him do his thing. We'll get out of here. All right, I got you. All right? Just, you got to do what I'm telling you to do, okay?
You have your Miranda cards on you? So you good?
Lean up on the car for me, sir. I know. Lean up on the car with me for a minute. Just lean back here. So you got to follow. Just lean on the car for a minute. There you go.
All right.
Well, on the car. There you go. All right. It slammed it in. That's nice.
All right, Chad, are you injured at all as a result of any of this? What do you mean a little bit?
My leg, yes. A little bit.
Okay, do you need to go to the hospital?
Probably.
Probably. Okay, so if we call the medics to come here, you want to go to the hospital, is that it?
Yes.
What kind of pain are you in right now that requires you to go to the hospital?
Southeast pain.
It's what?
Awkward.
Awkward what?
Position.
What do you mean awkward position? What are you talking about? Give me an example. What are your injuries right now? No, I need to understand this. We might have firefighters coming here or not. Are you injured in any way? You already had the firefighters come out here and check you out. They've already left. They determined that you're fine. Now you're saying you want them to come back. Why do you want them to come back?
I don't want them to come back.
Okay, you don't want them to come back.
Don't go down that road and stop with that road.
Okay, so you don't need them.
No.
Okay.
No, do not.
Okay.
I plead the fifth. You're on.
Okay. All right. So let me explain something. Okay.
Give my license back.
Well, we'll get to that. We'll get to that in a second.
We're going to get to that right now.
Okay, we're gonna get to that in a second.
I'm a law enforcement officer.
Okay, and I respect that.
Yeah, you better.
But here's.
We're going to get to that, and I'm going to argue that.
Okay, let me finish what I'm doing here. Okay. So we've completed a crash investigation. Okay. Looks like. What happened? You just made a wide turn and hit the pole, or you want to tell me what happened? Do you want to tell me your side of this, or no? Did you explain the crash to any of these deputies or the sergeant here, or?
You gotta ask those questions.
I have to ask these questions. I mean, do you want to tell me or no? It's up to you. Yes or no? No. Okay. So here's what I need you to do. This is very important, Chad. You go by Chad then? You go by Chad? Is that your name? You going by Chad? Yes, no, maybe? Okay. I'm required to warn you before you make any statement you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent, not answer any questions. Do you understand that? Yes or no? Do you understand that? Yes or no, Chad?
Where's my badge?
Huh?
Where's my badge? Who has my badge?
Any statement must be freely and voluntarily given. Do you understand that? Yes or no? Chad, do you understand that? Yes or no?
Can you believe this?
If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence and representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement during any questioning. Do you understand that? Yes or no? Are you getting upset to like where you're going to start fighting, or what's the matter with you? What are you doing? Okay. If any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you're privileged to remain silent. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. There we go. Do you understand all these rights that I've explained to you? That's all I ask. Yes or no? Okay. So, Chad, why don't you tell me what happened here again? What's going on?
My license?
Well, we're going to get to that in just a minute. I want to understand what's going on here. And the reason I want to understand that, listen to me, it's very important. My name is Investigator Noel. I'm with the DUI unit, okay? I've completed a crash investigation. I've switched hats to a criminal investigation. That's why I read you your rights. And I'm giving you the opportunity to tell me what happened here. Do you want to tell me yes or no?
I want my license.
Just give him a minute, because he's got to do this. He's got to go through his thing. You know that. You've been through this, right? So you know what he's got to do.
Stay over here.
He's got to do. You know what he's got to do.
Stay over here.
You know what he's got to do.
We're not getting anywhere.
Chad, look at me. Look at me. This is going to be as minimal as possible. Chad, look at me. Yes, look at me, Chad. Make this as minimal as possible. Okay, I'm trying to help you out, but you've got to make this as minimal as possible. Can you understand me on that? Yeah. You've got to let me help you and make this as minimal as possible. Are we clear?
We search him. What's in his pockets? What's he got?
Yeah, search your badge is in your pocket, Chad. I didn't take your badge. Your badge is with you, bro. We didn't take it.
Search my damn pocket.
We didn't take it. It was in your pocket, brother.
It's this fucking guy that you just handcuffed, that protects you guys more than anybody else. That's $40,000 on night vision.
All right, let's have a seat in my car.
Wait.
Come on, let's have a seat in the car.
Did you hear me?
I heard everything you said, yes. Come on, let's have a seat in my car. Okay?
All that stuff's coming with you, Chad. We're not going to keep anything to you.
All right.
Go ahead and have a seat, okay? Chad, go ahead and have a seat.
Please, can you
Go sit for a minute. I gotta go talk to him.
He's gonna come back and talk to you.
Give
Okay?
us some.
Chad, sit for a minute. Let me talk to him. You gotta do what I asked you to do. Sit down.
Thank you, bud.
Have a seat, Chad.
Have a seat in the car, okay? Chad, go ahead and have a seat for me, okay?
Do you understand?
Have a seat, Chad.
Chad, just have a seat in the car, okay?
Look through my phone.
Chad, I can't go, Chad. I can't go talk to him till you sat down for a minute. So sit down so I can go talk to him.
No problem. Thank you.
All right.
Thanks, Chad. Go ahead and have a seat.
Put the foot in there.
SWAT. I'm with your
Chad,
fucking.
you gotta.
Have a
I
seat.
gotta talk to him. You need to sit down for me.
All right. With your fucking SWAT team.
Make sure you're going.
You're fucking killing you.
All right. You know what I'm just trying to do.
Yeah, no,
At the point I looked, I could see him. You guys three, you can handle it.
Thanks, Sarge. Yeah, Goldschlager?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's wonderful.
I've had some bad days on that, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm trying to open the. I don't know how to open that thing.
Oh, please, God, no.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, that's roadside assistance kit. Oh, that's an HK case. Please, no. Shit!
Another one?
HK. This guy's got a taste anyway.
Oh, lovely.
That's money right there. Yeah, tell me if you need to get out of here.
All right, you guys all set with me then?
Yes, thank you.
no
For
problem.
getting here as quick as you did.
Huh?
Thank you for getting here as quick as you did.
Oh, absolutely. All right, come on up.
Is that correct, sir? That my badge.
Yeah, we have your
And
badge.
my license.
It's going.
No, wait.
Yeah.
It's over at the other facility.
Yes.
All right.
Everything's fine. We're going that way.
That's not fine. It's not fine. I'm trying to.
We're going right over here. Come on.
So, my badge.
Yes, your
My
badge.
ID.
Your ID. Yes.
It's all over there at
Yes.
this last place where we are. At all.
We're getting you medically cleared at the emergency. Yes, I need to get you cleared for the jail. Going straight through that door. No, that door right there. Straight through there. Go ahead. No, go on in. Go on. Go. Come on. Let's get this done. Let's move the process along. Go ahead. Go on. Come on. Well, don't look at me. Walk in. We got to get you in here. Come on.
Dude, I am looking at it.
Don't look at me. No, look straight ahead.
No, I'm looking
Just jail
at you.
clearance. No
Very
complaint of
much.
injuries, just DUI.
DUI?
Yes.
No.
No, don't go in there. This way. Wrong way. Chad, wrong way. We're going in there. Chad, just go in
I
there.
did
Come
not.
on. Stop.
No.
Come on. Let's go inside and get this done. Come on.
I'm not doing anything.
Just have a seat.
No.
Why are you so argumentative? What are you doing now? Huh? No, have a seat in the chair. You got to have a seat.
Yeah, take the
I can't take them off because it's going to be a hard time getting
He was charged with DUI and resisting arrest.
you to have a seat so they can check you
the
out.
handcuffs off. I'm not
No,
sure.
I can't take them off of you because guess what? I'm not going to be able to put them back on by myself unless I hurt you, and I don't want to hurt you. Now have a seat in the chair, please. Stop being such an idiot and have a
We're here
seat.
for hours.
Chad, have a seat in the chair so the nurse can examine you, the doctor can examine
No,
you,
thank
okay?
No, thank you. I refuse.
Okay, he's refusing everything.
Yep.
I don't care. You need his information?
You can't refuse.
No, just stand over there. Well, because you're being an idiot.
No, that's not a lawful.
For right now,
whoa.
You're not going to overpower me, Chad. You're not. Now
Excuse me,
stop.
that's not a lawful order.
Just stay right there.
That's not a lawful order. Get the fucking hands
Knock
off
it
me.
off, dude.
No.
Why can't you just
Back
comply?
the fuck off.
All right, fine.
Back the fuck off.
All right.
Go away.
Stop.
You got me here.
Stop
Go away.
yelling, man. Stop. Knock it
Go
off.
the fuck away.
I can't go away. I'm with you.
Fucking stupid ass.
What's wrong
I
with you?
will fuck you up.
Oh, okay. So now you're making a threat, so you can get charged with that one too. Hey, wrap him up, bro. I don't care.
Call Great Tony.
I will fuck you up. That's good enough for me. So now you get charged with that.
Oh, you're gonna write it down.
Yeah, it's going in my paperwork.
I don't fucking believe it.
I don't believe it either.
Oh, you don't believe it?
No, you're usually probably a really nice guy.
You don't believe it?
Being like this because you're drunk.
No.
Just knock it off. Stop being like this.
Dude, I'm not drunk.
Okay.
I'm a nice guy.
I know you are.
I give millions of dollars.
Don't walk towards me. Stay back there.
Whoa.
I don't need you walking up to me. Go back over there.
Can you please listen to me for 1 second?
Well, can you please do what I ask you finally for once?
Okay. Yeah.
Can you have a seat in the chair? Thank you. Just have a seat and relax.
I want you to understand, people like me make your SWAT team survive.
Yeah, all right.
So what do you mean? Don't tell me to shush. No, don't tell me. When I'm at funerals for you.
Do you mind? You got patients here. You got other patients here. Can you stop?
All the fucking patients. You
got a young lady over here. You got other people in this hospital. Can you knock it off?
Let me tell you something. I'm at fucking funerals all the time. And I damn sure do my best for my law enforcement officers.
All
my
right.
first responders. And you treat me like this. I care more about you guys than you even fucking. I'm trying to do everything I can to support you guys. And then I'm out in handcuffs. Are you kidding me?
So then why are you threatening me then?
I didn't threaten you with nothing.
Why did you say you're gonna fuck me up?
Because I'm just joking, man.
Oh, okay, it's a joke.
I would never, ever fuck up with one of my guys, man. But I damn sure have the power to, boy. I'm an officer.
All right, officer, come on out. We're done.
Take my handcuffs.
I'll take them off when we get to the jail. Go through. Go on.
To the jail.
Going out that door.
Did you hear what I'm saying?
Yeah, I heard what you said. Now come on out the door.
Do you see?
Stop. Just stop. Just go out the door.
Can you wipe my face off?
There. How's that? Okay?
No, a little bit better. Come on.
Come on, dude.
One more time. Wipe my face.
I'll wipe it when we get to the jail. Come on. Get in the car.
Please, one more time.
Hurry up. Get in the car. Let's go. Come on.
Yes, sir. Please.
Get in the car. Go. Get in the car.
Why are you so mean to me?
Just get in the car. Come on.
Why are you so mean?
Yes, get in the car. Stop.
Dude.
Pop up in. There you go.
All right.
Man.